Want to make your English more colorful and expressive? Today, I'm sharing powerful words that will help you sound more natural and fun in everyday conversations. Weird, strange in a spooky or surprising way. Example: that movie was really weird. I didn't understand a thing. Crazy, wild, irrational, or extreme. Example: he had a crazy idea to skydive on his birthday. Bizarre, extremely unusual. Example: her outfit was bizarre but somehow fashionable. Odd, slightly strange or different. Example: it's odd that he didn't show up today. Unusual, different from the norm. Example: it was an unusual morning. Everything went wrong. Strange, not familiar or expected. Example: there was a strange sound coming from the attic. Quirky, unusually charming or unique. Example: she has a quirky laugh that makes everyone smile. Peculiar, unusual in a way that is interesting or unsettling. Example: there's something peculiar about the way he talks. Freaky, unexpected and scary or surprising. Example: that was a freaky coincidence. Outlandish, extremely unusual or unrealistic. Example: he wore an outlandish costume to the party. Lunatic, wildly foolish or mentally unstable, informal. Example: only a lunatic would swim in that storm. Absurd, ridiculously unreasonable. Example: that's an absurd explanation. You can't expect me to believe it. Bonkers, informally means mad or crazy. Example: this idea might sound bonkers, but it just might work. Wacky, funny in a silly or odd way. Example: what a wacky sense of humor he has. Zany, amusingly unconventional. Example: the zany cartoon made the kids laugh non-stop. Start using these expressive words today and watch your English come alive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful language tips.